What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw a cartoon devil. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the upper eyelid. Now let's leave a gap in the center. We'll start over on the left side. We'll draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that out towards the side. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Now from here we're going to curl up the inside of the brow. So we'll start back on the left, bend this in and then up, and do the same thing on the right side. Now once you have the eyelids in place, let's tuck the eyes in underneath. From the outside we want to step in, so we curve the eye coming down, round up the eye, and then pull that up on the inside of the brow. And then from here we're going to push the pupils towards the inside of the eye. Let's start from the eyelid, draw a circle going all the way around and then back up. Do the same thing on the right side and we'll fill the center of the pupils. Let's give our character some thick eyebrows. From the inside of the brow, I'm just going to taper this up and bend that out. And then on the ends, draw a short angled line coming down towards the side. From the end of the eyebrow, we're going to pull this up a little bit higher in the middle. And it'll follow that curve coming in and then down towards the inside of the brow. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Let's move to the center and draw on the nose. We're going to start over on the left, curve the nose coming down, and then bend that in towards the center. Go out and up towards the right. And then right along the top, we're going to add a fold, going up and then down. Let's tuck the mouth in underneath the nose. We're going to start over on the left, bend this across and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Round up the mouth and just pull that up towards the eye. Let's add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Now I want to open up our character's mouth. So we'll start back over on the left, come down, and bend that up. Let's add two sharp teeth on either side with a V. And then along the bottom, we'll add a curve for the tongue. And we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black going around the teeth and the tongue. I'm also going to give our character a small mustache. So from the side of the nose, come down, and bend that up towards the eye. Let's taper that back in towards the side of the nose. And we'll fill the inside of the mustache. Now directly underneath the mouth, let's add a fold for the lip. Going down and then up. From the ends, we'll step in. Angle is down and in towards the bottom of the beard. Let's fill the center of the beard. Now that we've drawn in the face, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the eye, we're going to step out, come around, round up the cheek, and just pull that in toward the side of the beard. Continue on the right side, going all the way around, out, and then up. Now we're going to work our way around the side of the head going up towards the horns. Let's start on the left, bending this around the eyebrow and then in. Let's add that socket for the horns, drawing a half circle, going all the way around and then up. And we'll close off the top of the head with a curve, going up and then down. Now I'm going to stick the horns inside that socket. From these 2 points, then the horns going out and then up. And we'll come all the way around towards the bottom and then back in. Let's add in the pointy ears. From this point, angle this up and out towards the tip of the ear. And then we'll round up the ear, coming around, and we'll bend that in towards the side. Let's add a fold inside the ear. From the cheek, go up and bend that out. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to connect the hips with a curve. Move down, and then up. Let's add a fold in the center of the chest, going up, and then down. Now I'm going to place the cloth on top of the body. From the hips, draw 2 straight lines coming down. And we'll connect the ends with a series of curves going up and then down, just tearing up the edge. Come down a little bit lower in the middle, and then go back up towards the right. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the heel. And then we'll round up the bottom of the feet, going out towards the claw. Now we want to add 3 claws on either side. On the outside of the foot, we're going to go up, bend that all the way down toward the tip of the claw, and pull that back in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's stack 2 more claws in behind. From the top, go up and then down, tuck that in, and we'll do that one more time. Now from the top of the last claw, we're going to curve the foot, going up, bend that down, aiming towards the heel, and then going back up to the hips, let's draw the outside of the leg. We're going to go out, come down, and bend that in on top of the feet. Now we're going to go back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding the pitchfork. We're going to start underneath the head on the left, bend the arm coming down and out towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw the thumb going up, bend this down, round up the thumb, and pull that back up. Let's add the edge of the palm with a short curve. Stack 3 fingers along the outside. Start from the side of the thumb, we draw a half oval going out and then in. From the bottom, draw that again going up underneath the thumb, and then we'll do that one more time. Now I'm going to place the pitchfork in behind the hand. From the bottom, draw 2 straight angled lines coming down towards the bottom, side by side. Close off the bottom with a curve. Let's continue these lines above the hand, going up. And then from the ends, bend this out, and then up towards the side. Let's add a point along the side. Come down and out. Go up and in towards the point. Now you want to trace the inside of the pitchfork coming down and then in. Leaving a gap in the center. Let's take these 2 points, extend those center lines going up toward the top point, angle down and out, and pull that up and in toward the center point. Now from the bottom finger, we'll step down, curve the palm coming in and then up towards the wrist, step down, bend the arm coming in and up towards the body. Let's line up the inside of the arm over on the right, bend the arm going out and down towards the wrist. Draw a half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now let's draw 3 fingers along the bottom. From the bottom of the thumb, come down and up around that bracket. Step down, go out and then up. And then the 3rd finger, we're going to go all the way around the arm and just pull that in underneath the head. Now let's draw the tail coming down along the right side. Start from the side of the leg, come down around the arm, and then up, step down, and draw that again. From the ends, angle this down and out. Then from the ends, we'll bend the tail going up and in toward the center point, and And once we complete our drawing, we'll be sure to sign our artwork and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw a cartoon devil. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.